Okay, after we talked about how to make the Shake Shack burger buns in my last video, I'm gonna show you how to make the original Shack burger today. We're gonna start with the secret Shack sauce, which includes only a few simple ingredients. We're gonna start with 55 grams or 1/4 cup of mayo. I used the Japanese Kewpie mayo just because it's a nicer taste and helps to underline the umami flavor of the sauce a little bit more. Then we get 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We're gonna do 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It looks like someone was a little bit too excited to be in the video today. We have to work on that. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon or 4 grams of smoked paprika. After that, a pinch of garlic powder and a pinch of onion powder. Next is a little bit of pickle juice, and that's it. We're gonna mix all together and we have our secret Shack sauce. We're gonna put the sauce aside and starting to prepare the veggies, which is a Roma tomato and green leaf lettuce. Just cut the tomato in some small slices and wash the lettuce. That's pretty much it. After we're done with that, we're gonna slice the bun. Just be careful, you don't cut it through completely, just you can fold it up. And now we're gonna move over to the stove. I recommend using a cast iron skillet or a stainless steel. Put some butter on it, let it melt, add the bun on top and wait until it's golden brown and crispy. Watch it carefully and make sure it's not gonna burn. I'm gonna use 1/4 pound of ground beef with an 80-20 ratio. Make sure your cast iron is hot and let's enjoy that sound. By smashing your burger like this, you close all the pores and you get this nice golden crust. On top of that, you are sure that all the moisture is staying inside the burger. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and we let the patty sit until we have this light brown crust around the burger. Flip it. We're going to add some high quality American cheese. I like to use the deli style American cheese. I think Kraft is calling it Deluxe cheese. I had the best results with that. Just let it melt and then we're done with our patty. Now let's move back to the cutting board and let's assemble the burger. First we're going to add the Shack sauce on the top bun. After that we're gonna place some green leaf lettuce. Make sure you face the curly side outwards, looks nicer. Add 2 Roma tomatoes. And then at the end we put the burger patty on the lower bun and put it back together. Once again, if you want to know how to make the burger bun from scratch, just check out my channel or click the link below. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you're gonna enjoy your burger.